Are you too tired to do stomach crunches? Then don't worry. This is your chance to get a slim waist by just doing these very all standing, no jumping, no mat needed exercises which I'm going to show you today. I'm going to share these exercises which are yoga inspired movements which will help gently melt your belly fat and help you achieve a slim waist. These are 1,000 years old yoga inspired movements which are so easy for anybody who can do it to achieve a slim waistline. They are rather so easy. You'd rather be shocked. How come you didn't know about it earlier? Before we begin, give me an affirmation below in the comment section and let me know which belly fat you want to lose. Yes, I want to lose, and mention the belly fat, whether it is side belly fat, upper belly fat, lower belly fat or whole belly fat. Do let me know in the comments below. I do want to know. Let's begin with an easy warm-up that will activate your core and also straighten up your spine. All you have to do is shoulder movement, which is an easy movement, and kindly tuck your core in tightly. Now let's bring it forwards. Keep breathing normally. Take your neck up and down. Stretch it all the way back. Then down. And now left to right. Well done. The first exercise or movement is very simple. You just have to stretch your hands all the way out. Your feet should be more than shoulder width apart. And like this, you have to inhale, then exhale and go all the way back. Twist your body as far as you can. Then come back. And then again this side. Just twist your body as much as you can. Exhale while you go backwards. And your feet should be planted on the floor. Or you can just simply do this. Well done. The next movement we are going to do is again very simple and easy. You just have to stretch your hand all the way up, bring it closer to your ear, inhale. Then while you exhale, go down and hold it to that point. This is for your side belly fat. Now again the other side. Touch your hand to your ear. Exhale while you go down. It's more effective if you try to hold it at that point when you go down. Well done. The next movement is super easy. You just have to stretch your legs wider than your shoulder width apart. Your core should be tight. You have to stretch your spine backwards and then come all the way down. Either touch your toes or put your hands like this. Well done. The next exercise is a very easy. March in one place and pull it downwards to your core. This is for your central obesity. And while you're pulling, keep your core muscles tight. This move not just burns calories, but also activates your core muscles and gives you a tightened belly area. Well done! The next exercise is a simple and easy suck your belly in exercise. This movement is highly beneficial, especially for those who have a very loose hanging belly. All you have to do is suck your belly in. Inhale completely, hold it there, then exhale and see your belly come out. Then again, pull it in and push it out. Pull and push. Pull and push. And push. Pull it in. Hold it to the count of 5 and push it out. Pull and pull it out. Well done! If you could do these belly fat exercises laying down, would you prefer those or these ones? These are so simple. So give me a comment below. Yes, I will do it daily. It's also an affirmation and I'm sure you enjoyed today's easy movements which are inspired from yoga. And this is how we will be able to achieve a slim waist and a slim belly. If you're looking to join my paid weight loss program, enjoy a transformation which could actually change your entire life, your outlook to life, and it could also help you reverse many medical conditions like diabetes or PCOS, then you can join my paid weight loss program by just clicking on the link given below in the description, where a doctor, dietitian and health counselor together come together for you to give you the desired results under my supervision. I'm going to see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care. And if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification and like this very video. Keep breathing, keep moving. I'll see you next week.